How to register in Quotex. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now, the registration process in Quotex is very easy and simple. So just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up Quotex. And once the app opens, click on the registration at the top of the screen. And as you can see, the process is very easy. You just have to enter your email here. Say, for example, then you need to enter a password. And then you need to choose your account currency. As you can see, you have a lot of currencies such as Euro, USD, the Indian rupees, the Russian ruble, or the Nigerian naira, Egyptian pound. Choose whatever currency you want and then click I confirm that I'm 18 years old or older and accept service agreement after you read them, and then click on register. And once you do that, your account will be opened and you will finish the registration process. So that was it for this video. That's how you can register in Quotex. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.